Let's get your Optus NBN modem set up. The process depends on your NBN connection type. If you have FTTP, fiber to the premises, you'll connect your modem directly to the NBN connection box, also known as the NTD or NBN box, using the WAN port and a Cat6 Ethernet cable. For FTTN, fiber to the node, and FTTC, fiber to the curb connections, you'll use a VDSL modem/router like the Optus supplied Huawei HG659, also connecting to the UniV port on the NTD. Ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected. The Internet LED on your Optus modem should light up solid green when connected. Blinking amber indicates syncing, red signals an error. A secure connection will help avoid connectivity issues. Once connected, power on your modem. Then, connect to the Wi-Fi using the default SSID and password found on the modem sticker. Next, activate your service via the Optus website or app. To troubleshoot, first check your WAN cable connections and reboot the modem. If the internet light remains red, contact Optus support via their app or hotline. For enhanced security, change the default password and enable WPA3 encryption. Optus now offers AI-driven diagnostics in their app, which can help resolve setup issues remotely. Some users have experienced improvements, with app-guided tutorials reducing setup times from 30 minutes to 10 minutes.